NASCAR isn't about driving any more than your handyman business is about fixing stuff. Both live and die by their systems. Winning at NASCAR, like winning in business, takes more than just showing up. It takes total commitment. Speed doesn't come from a bigger engine. It comes from the people who designed it, built it, installed it, and fine-tuned it before the driver ever got behind the wheel. Your pit crew, that's your job kits, your processes, your workflow. Every step executed flawlessly, every second accounted for. Your spotter, that's your software. Always tracking, always communicating,
tight front out, tight front.
in real time.
Top of 3, click, no bottom line on. You're clear all.
At this level, everything runs on data. Every decision, every adjustment, even the driver. Because the race was won, or lost, before it ever started. And the prep, the tools, the systems, and the team. All of it comes together, so when it's time, you can make real-time decisions at 200 miles an hour. Your business isn't just a side hustle, it's the big leagues. If you're relying on hustle instead of systems, you're already behind. Click the link in the description, start your free 14-day jobber trial, and run your business like a fine-tuned machine. Because this isn't about working harder, it's about running better, working smarter. It's about winning.